Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is your honey badger here, giving it to you straight in the RV business as usual. Today we're doing a Freedom Express 246 RKS. Has a power tongue jack, Asdel fiberglass, ladder on the back, outside shower. That's all kind of standard equipment. Has a nice pass-through storage. And this is a rear kitchen floor plan. It's not my favorite floor plan in the world. If you ask the reps, it's probably my least favorite floor plan, but it is very popular amongst RVers. And you get a power awning that goes almost a full length of the coach, outside shower, full aluminum construction in the sidewalls. And the contrast that they put color-wise, I think, is wonderful. Sometimes products like Cherokee, for example, make it just too dark inside. This has nice contrast between the cushions and the trim versus the dark cabinetry. And then as we open up the kitchen, you're going to see it's an 8 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator, good counter space, decent storage. Not all the kitchen storage, though, is in the kitchen. And guys, what is it with the split sink? I just never understand that. Most of your kitchen storage is going to be in that left-hand side next to the couch. So you have the drawers right there, and then there's your pantry. Now, I'm only show the sleeper sofa. I'm terrible at putting the dinette into a bed. I've been terrible about it. I look like a monkey doing it, so I'm not going to show you that. And then on the other side, you have the same type of storage. Now, it's a booth dinette. Has the TV in the right spot. You can get a nice swivel bracket so you're not turning your head and cracking your head. Still got some good cabinet space above the dinette. And then, surprise, surprise, probably what sells this unit and why it does so well in other states besides California, it has huge, huge closet space. So you get a closet space in the living room, and then you get closet space in the bedroom on each side. Now, I love this. This was a fabulous idea. I don't know why more brands don't do this, but you lift the bed, and voila, you have a place to sit, a place to put on your clothes, a place to put on your shoes. And then, of course, you have your bathroom. The toilet is in a decent spot. I do say the one problem with the bathroom is the toilet. You kind of feel like you don't have a lot of elbow room on the left-hand side when you're sitting down. But the shower's nice and tall for the guys that are 6 foot plus.